This is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters here at one of my favorite spots, and one of my members, Justin. Justin picked up his new metal detector. It's a Cabela's titanium camo from a garage sale. He got a good deal on it, and so he's coming down to Loop Field for a little training. I had just got a nice repeating signal right here at 2 inches deep. Go ahead and wave your machine over it. Let's let the viewers hear the signal. No, nothing. There we go. There it is. Okay, so let's
2 inches deep.
Yep. So let's go ahead and dig it. This is our first combo dig together. And we go ahead and turn this on up. It's not in the plug, and it is down below. So still in the hole. And I'm seeing some glass, so this could be maybe a bottle cap. Yeah, it's definitely deep. So when it's a, yep, see this? When it's a big, strong signal at 2 inches deep, and it's actually 6 inches deep, it's a big rusty can. This park is over 100 years old, and there was some actual homesteads here back when this was a high school. All right, let's keep digging. All right. A screaming nickel signal, a couple inches deep. Tab nickel. Right here. And we got a coin, newer nickel. All right. Okay, I got this signal 6 inches deep, and got me a weedy, and it was all of 6 inches deep too. It's a little crusty weedy. I tried a little spit juice to clean it up. I can't make the date. I'm gonna have to take it home and clean it good, and then get a photo of it. All right, Rainy Day Treasure Hunters here with one of my members. Keep swinging, keep digging. Okay, we got our member over there, and we just got a nickel signal about 3 inches deep. Sure enough, just like the mighty Fisher says, got us a nickel. Let me check the hole, make sure it's not a coin spill. You can see where it had been sitting right in there. All right, let's keep digging. All right. This thing is screaming 7072, but is jumping up to 7580. Let's go ahead and dig that sucker right there. 4 inches down. It is a screamer of a signal. We got the plug out. Target is in the hole. And I was gonna say, most of the time them high numbers, 75, 80, it's a bottle cap. Just like that. And I think that was it. Let's keep digging. Okay, welcome back, Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. This will probably be the last dig. I gotta go home for supper. We got a really nice 70 dime signal here. Oh, and I popped it out right there. The mighty Fisher called it 70 for a dime. Didn't even take the pro pointer out. Make sure it's not a coin spill. Okay, got quite a few nickels, some pennies, even a weedy penny, and now a dime. Let's go see how Justin's doing. Call it a wrap. From Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, keep swinging, keep digging. Screaming dime signal. I can listen to it. That's a solid 80. Usually that says bottle cap or a quarter, 4 inches deep, and it's a screamer. It really sounds clean. It's could be a quarter or a bottle cap. Not sure what. Nope, just a rock. Okay, so it's right here. Oh yeah, it's a deep dime. It's a dime, a screaming dime. It was high though. Usually dimes are in the 70, 71. This was a 75 up to 80. But I'll take a dime anytime. Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. Alright, that's it for tonight. Let's go see how Justin's doing. Keep swinging, keep digging. Hello, welcome. This is Rainy Day Treasure Hunters here out at the Loop. I'd like to introduce Justin. He's a new member to the group. Got himself a nice little metal detector, and he found a few coins today. Mom's filming. Come on in. Let's take a look at what we found. So real quick here, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels, 3 dimes, some old pennies, and one of these Justin, didn't I dig a weedy penny? Yep. And it's a little crusty. It's right here. So I'm gonna have to take this home and scrub it up a little bit and get a year. So I will take a picture of it and post it in the final YouTube video. I found an old shotgun shell, 6 inches deep, and up by the Loop sign, a cleat. And there's a lot of soccer played here on this field. Okay, that's what I have found. Justin, show us what you got. He's a beginner metal detector.
Well, with along with a bunch of junk, I found here 5 pennies.
Nice.
And
nice.
I haven't looked at the dates yet, but I think the earliest one is somewhere in the 70s. and 2 dimes. So that's pretty good for a beginner.
Heck yeah. So here we are. Welcome to the Rainy Day Treasure Hunters group. Here's Justin from Shelton, signing off from Shelton, Washington in the Pacific Northwest. Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, keep swinging, keep digging.